Hi, my name's Aaron. I'm with Fleetistics, and I came across an interesting article in a National Safety Council magazine that was talking about driver fatigue and ride-sharing companies. And I thought I would just make a quick video and share this with you. If you think about, Uber and Lyft and the fact that nobody is really regulating them as far as, how much they drive, is it really fair to put independent truckers on the same, ELD program as big trucking companies? And should ride-sharing drivers be held to the same standard? You could probably argue that there's a little bit of a difference between ride-share and long-term fatigue, but still, we're transporting people, and the importance of getting people from point A to point B safely. Uber does require 6 hours of off time or being logged off of the app for every 12 hours of on time, and Lyft also requires 6 hours of off time for every 14 hours of basically the app being on. The problem is we know most drivers use both Lyft and Uber, so hey, if you time out on Uber, you just flip over to to Lyft and you keep driving. So it's a curious, interesting situation on how this particular problem is going to be addressed and whether or not ELD is going to be extended to the rideshare industry, or perhaps there's a technology solution where somewhere in the mobile app the rider can actually hit a button that says, hey, this guy is appearing fatigued, and if enough riders actually indicate that the driver's fatigued, maybe the app automatically signs them out after their current ride or something like that. So we allow the community to actually police the fatigue factor of the drivers as we see, because we can all see sitting next to somebody or behind somebody when their head starts to bob or their eyes start to close. But it's an interesting dilemma, and there are some statistics where there were 328,000 car crashes resulting from fatigue. Now this is nationwide, all people, all drivers, and of those, 6,400 of those were fatal, and there were 109,000 injuries as a result of all that. So there are some significant statistics around fatigue driving. Certainly younger people that stay up too late are probably guilty of that, but it is a definite looming problem that's going to require more discussion, and I thought it was interesting, so I wanted to bring it to you.